kulchas, the Indian flatbread which is stuffed with either meat or vegetable. And today I'm here at the king of kulchas that is known to make the best kulchas in Dubai.
Kulcha King at JLD is a haven for all kulcha lovers. They serve 10 varieties of kulcha stuffed with aloo, onion, paneer and even Nutella or cheese. Most Indians know what a kulcha is and are familiar with the traditional aloo kulcha from Amritsar. But at Kulcha King, this traditional eat is served with many different and innovative fillings such as the spinach and cheese kulcha, chicken tikka kulcha and even a Nutella kulcha. Kulcha King serves at least 10 variants of delicious kulchas and each comes with a choice of traditional chole, tamarind chutney or you can even opt for a dal makhani, chicken keema or a raita. Kulcha King has perfected the art of making stuffed kulchas that are soft on the inside and crispy on the outside with years of R&D and change in cooking processes. Their kulcha is basically a soft dough that is stuffed with the filling, layered and rolled flat with a rolling pin and then baked like a pastry in an oven which gives it its crispiness. Lathered with the goodness of butter and cut into 4 triangles which makes it easier to eat.
It's so delicious. I mean, the softness, the taste and the butter on top is almost like a cherry on cake. I'm loving this, and you can have this with like chickpea curry and tamarind chutney on the side. And if you want to make it even better, down a glass of lassi with this.
Kulcha King has 9 branches and 2 delivery kitchens in the UAE. It's a homegrown concept from Dubai and it is now setting eyes on a global expansion via franchising. And why not? If you have a champion product that is loved by all communities and flavor profiles of the melting pot of Dubai, then the rest of the world needs to try these amazing kulchas too.
We don't use a normal dough like everybody does. It's not a soft culture like traditionally done. That uniqueness, the flavor, the crispiness, the butteriness of our cultures, you won't find it anywhere else.
I love how they're so generous with their mozzarella cheese. It may sound cheesy, but I'm loving it.
Spice is nice, not too spicy, but nice flavor.
It's wonderful, as always. These kulchas, I think they're the best in the world.